Hi there, it's Olsen the Dane, and today we're bringing you a quick and easy video on how to make delicious homemade mayo in just 1 minute. Whether you're a busy parent trying to get dinner on the table, a simple foodie like me looking for a speedy way to satisfy your mayo cravings, this recipe is perfect for you. With just a few simple ingredients and a step-by-step guidance, you'll have a jar of creamy, flavorful mayo in no time at all. So grab your whisk and let's get started. For this recipe we're going to use a taste neutral oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 egg, a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And now it's time to put everything together. Start adding the oil, 1 egg, a teaspoon of mustard powder. Just mix everything into the cup. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And then a pinch of salt. I'm mixing it with a stick blender. This is going very fast. And under a minute you have a very nice creamy mayo. And then I'm going to put it into a mason jar and then into the fridge, and here it can last up till 5 days, but it doesn't last that long. I'm using it all before it turns bad. And there you are. Perfect for a sandwich. And here you are, a perfect sandwich with your own mayo. And that's easy peasy. Wow. And until next time, remember to eat, live and love. Bye!